Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Villanueva here, bringing you an update on Tropical Storm Eta. Right now into the Hope Sound area into Martin County, you can see a very heavy rain band moving on in. Likely 40-mile-an-hour winds with this quick-moving shower. Otherwise, the rain is generally light in the green, but we still have very heavy downpours back across the Bahamas. And notice the direction. All of that will continue to feed into South Florida as we head into the evening hours. Right now, wind gusts generally in the 30-mile-per-hour zone, except into Boca, very windy there with winds over 40 miles an hour. We have a tropical storm warning in effect from the Space Coast through the Treasure Coast and down into Broward County. We have also a hurricane watch for Miami-Dade County, and a hurricane warning is in effect for all of the Keys. And we also have a flood watch in effect for the entire area from Vero Beach all the way down into the Keys. We could see an additional 4 to 8 inches of rain already on the rain that we've seen since yesterday. So there is Eta right there. It did work its way across Cuba, but notice it's very disorganized right now, but the center is back over the warm ocean waters, so it is expected to increase in intensity as we head into the next few hours. Right now, winds of 65 miles an hour. As we head towards the evening, winds of 70 miles an hour. Then overnight, it will work its way towards the Keys. At that point in time, could become a Category 1 hurricane, winds of 75 miles an hour. And the worst for us will be at the point where it's working its way in this direction. That's when we will continue to see the very heavy rain and those strong gusty winds. And then once it starts to work its way into the Gulf of Mexico, that's when we start to see a bit of a break. But notice it's going to hang around in the Gulf for several days, so it will indirectly impact our weather. And all the computer models in very good agreement, taking the storm system through the Keys, and then eventually some start to push it back up towards the Tampa Bay area. So finally, here's Vipercast. We'll continue to see banding of very heavy rain as we head into the evening hours. Then during the nighttime hours, overnight, we do start to get a bit of a break as most of the heavy rain at that point in time is along the Gulf Coast. And then as we head into the afternoon hours tomorrow, a little bit of drier air moves on in, but notice still very heavy moisture continuing to move across the area from time to time.